With ASKO washing machines, their goal is to create sustainable, state of the art appliances that gently care for your clothes and keep them looking beautiful and clean load after load. But that's not all. Their elegant design slips effortlessly into any space and perfectly captures their passion for Scandinavian style. At the same time, their innovative use of performant, high quality stainless steel creates the healthiest and most hygienic laundry conditions possible. ASKO washing machines are incredibly intuitive and easy to use. They deliver consistently high performance with rock solid stability, all while using less water and less energy. Gentle on your clothes, convenient for everyday life, and they're built to last. With their Quattro construction, this is stable, long-lasting performance with reduced noise and vibrations. And here's what gives ASKO washing machines their solid stability and super quiet performance. This construction. ASKO's suspension system significantly reduces noise and vibration to create a much more pleasant environment in your home. It features reinforced feet and a reinforced steel bottom plate that ensure consistent solid contact with the floor. The reinforced top reduces noise and vibration more effectively than ever before. The drum, door, and damper system combine to deliver unbeatable sustainability, including minimizing any large movements of the drum, even with those heavy loads. And with their hygienic steel seal for an extremely hygienic wash and a truly germ-free drum, this is one of the biggest innovation that sets ASKO washing machines apart. They are the only domestic washing machines in the world without a conventional rubber bellow. Over time, those rubber bellows and regular washers trap dirt and grime, turning into a hidden breeding ground for bacteria. And ASKO solves this completely with their steel seal. Instead of rubber, they use a premium stainless steel, and clinical tests prove that these machines have up to 95% less bacterial growth inside the drum and on the door compared to that traditional washing machines with the rubber bellows. The result? An extremely hygienic wash each and every single time and a clean germ-free drum that will stand the test of time. They are built to last with a 20-year endurance test, and at ASKO, they don't just design appliances, they challenge them. And every washing machine is rigorously tested to stimulate 20 years of real household use. That translates to 4,500 wash cycles and approximately 10,000 washing hours. They are proving their commitment to exceptional durability. And for sensitive groups, they have sensitive choice for asthma and allergy friendly users. At ASKO, they design washing machines that are truly asthma and allergy free. That's why they've earned the prestigious Sensitive Choice Award from the National Asthma Council in Australia. Every machine is independently reviewed and approved by experts, including allergists and respiratory physicians. You have three different washers to choose from. First is the timeless classic, the 3 Series. It is a true classic because these models have a program for every living situation. With 3 run modes, you can quickly switch between more eco-friendly or more intensive washing. The interface is super simple and straightforward. Just select a knob and easy buttons. And the elegant white design is discreet, timeless, and built to look beautiful for years to come. Next is the 5 Series. This has some premium touch experiences. And what redefines the user experience is with a large, intuitive touch display that gives you a seamless and comprehensive overview. It matches the 3 Series in performance, but stands out with premium details like an illuminated drum and choice of elegant colors. Perfect for those who want both a top function and beautiful design. And the top of the line is their 7 Series. The ASKO 7 Series is for those who refuse to compromise. Its exclusive aluminum control panel instantly elevates your laundry space. You get exceptional washing performance with auto rinse technology for superior stain removal, plus a hot water connection for faster and more sustainable cycles, all with top tier efficiency and low energy use. All washers come equipped with a stainless steel inner and outer drum, and it withstands higher speeds and temperature for longer lasting performance. Both the inner and outer drums are made from this high quality stainless steel instead of plastic, and the result is higher levels of performance, hygiene, durability, so you can enjoy a fresh machine for years to come. And it comes with an AquaSafe system, and this guards against any leaks so you can wash worry free. No one wants to damage your home or the floor. Even the smallest leak can go undetected that can cause major problems. And this is why ASCO's worked so hard to create their leak protection system that exceeds the requirements set by the national authorities. Their AquaSafe system has sensors that detect if the water level is too high, too low, or if there's a leak. Enjoy a superior wash that saves both time, water, and energy with SensiSave. It's an eco-friendly innovation that ASKO adopted that their wash cycle is based on the size of the load and the fabrics being washed. This innovation enables ASKO washing machines to deliver beautifully clean clothes while using the lowest amount of water and energy possible. It also saves time as the wash will only ever last as long as necessary. And all ASKO washing machines feature the unique active drum, which ensures optimal cleaning and fabric care. The hourglass shaped lifters guide the load to the gentler area of the drum and effectively remove large debris such as dirt and gravel to the larger holes at the edge of the bottom of the drum. On the higher end models, you get the flexible in-drawer auto dose system with two detachable 1.1 liter tanks for detergent and fabric conditioner that lasts up to 27 cycles. There are smart sensors that track the levels and show you exactly how many washes are left. It delivers perfect dosing every time for superior cleaning without waste, while cutting consumption and your environmental impact. But if you wanted to use the manual compartments, they are still there and available for your flexibility. ASKO offers two dryer types to match exactly what you need. Heat pump dryers, which are closed systems that recycle air on the inside. There's no external venting required and they're perfect in tight spaces. They run at lower temperatures for super gentle drying. They have less shrinkage, longer clothing life, and up to 75% less energy usage. And they're great for sensitive items. And then, of course, they have vented dryers, which are more affordable with faster cycle drying times and leave your clothes warm with that crisp, fresh feeling. Along with their dryers, let me introduce you to butterfly drying. Every ASKO dryer uses this butterfly drying technology. This is two specialty shaped paddles inside the drum that gently tumble your clothes in a figure eight pattern just like butterfly wings. This spreads the laundry out evenly so hot air reaches every piece, preventing bundling, tangling, and it gives you a faster, more uniform drying with fewer wrinkles and less wear and tear on your fabrics. And there's a multi-filter system where lint in the tumble dryer is the worst enemy, which leads to longer drying times, higher energy consumption, and eventual failure. And at ASKO, this multi-filter system combats this with three different filters. There's a mesh filter in the air duct and a combination filter with fine mesh and a thick foam. And lastly, if you want the full setup, you have two different installation options. You can have them either side by side, or you can add a pedestal with storage drawers, or even a drying cabinet for sweaters and delicates. Everything is designed to work perfectly together. ASKO is a game changer for in-home laundry, so book an appointment to come see it for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for our weekly content.